2006 Ninja 250, and today I'm going to show you how to change the brake pads. The reason why I'm making this video is because I haven't found any videos. I just seen videos on the 08s and on up. But if I'm doing anything wrong, leave a comment. It's pretty simple. All you have is these two bolts right here. All you'll need is a 12mm socket wrench, and I'm using EBC brake pads. Okay, I loosened the bolts, and it's pretty simple. All it is these two bolts hold up, and it just slides right out. And as you can see, my brakes are pretty worn out. Alright, if you can see that. Okay, now that we have that off, here's with the littler one. It just pops right out. It's just in there by little grooves, so that one will just fall right out. The little kind of tricky part is the top one, which is hooked on by these two parts, this end and that end. So what you want to do is, just tilt one side like that and pull one side forward, and it should come right out like that. And that comes right out. Okay, we're going to start with the newer one. And it's the same concept. You just put one on there, tilt it, down, one side up, so it pops on like that. There you go. That piece is on there. And now with the little piece. And I forgot to mention that these two little hydraulic pumps right here that push the brake pads together, when you do take it off, they will be higher up. You have to push them all the way down. It seems hard, but you just push them down into your fingers and they'll go all the way down. Get them all the way down so you can get the new pad on there. Okay. Just get them in the same grooves that it was. It's pretty simple. You just seal them and push down. There you go. Hopefully that's enough room so it will fit on the caliper or the rotor. Alright, there you go. Let's see if we can get them on there. If not, we'll have to push them down more. Okay, and if you don't have enough room in between, you might have to push the little hydraulic pumps farther down, which I had to do. And what you'll do next is just put it right back on there. Let's see if I can fit it on there. Trying to do this all with one hand. So once you get into place, you just push the sockets back, bolts, sockets. Just get them into place. We'll just tighten it up. It's pretty simple, I guess. Just take it off and replace the pads, put it back on there, and tighten everything back up. Okay. Now that it's on there, just give your brake some few pumps until it hardens again. And once it's pretty tight again, it should be going. There you go. Feel free to leave a comment, and if I did anything wrong or you know an easier way, just let me know. And I hope this helps you.